Hello everyone, am I audible? Show a thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great smile. Yes, we always start our work, our drawing, our craft with a big smile because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy, right? So, with a bright smile, let's learn, let's take one more step towards saving our environment. Let's learn best out of waste and let's start watching something creative in trash. So, chalo, without delay, let's get started. So, here you can see this is your, yes. On screen, you can see this is a carry bag of brown color. And this kind of carry bags we normally get in with packings. And many times our covers, old discarded covers of our notebooks, they are also of this color many times. And this kind of blanket bags and other carry bags are available. And it's not like you will be using the same color. And we are the purpose we are why we are using it so that we can make something creative using this kind of bags. Okay, one class I will teach you how you can use it for making a beautiful gift packing, and so that this could be used for that. So we are going to use this color today because this is equivalent to dry leaves. But if you want to use something colorful, if you have colorful paper or colorful card or colorful magazine, although it is printed, but gray newspaper, so you will find a gray leaf. So you can use anything. And see, this is a stick. This is actually a real stick of a branch. I simply took it. So yes, this we are going to use as stick. If you have a pen, and if you have pen, you can use it as stick. You can paint it green afterwards. Or if you have any other kind of stick, suppose you have this kind of stick which normally we use for kulfi, you can use that, or anything you have available which you can use. You have available. Now you all have different treasure box, and we all have different material available. Okay, and sellotape. Okay, stapler. If you feel you want to use, otherwise stapler. And today the kind of art to craft we are going to learn, it will look like dry palm leaves. And the same craft could be made using palm leaves. And when in your garden and in your apartment garden, you must have seen like when palm leaves they are dry, and we normally remove them, but you don't know, like trimming its side and giving the shape which I'm going to make it, you can make beautiful masterpieces using those dry palm leaves, real leaves. Okay, so that dry leaves and exactly that kind of look will come when you will use this color. So are you ready? Show me your material. Yes, your bag or colorful paper or colorful card or whatever. If you have any colorful magazine, you can take this colorful paper also. Although something is very good. So this kind of bags. And very soon I will be teaching how to pack your gift using this bag. Okay, so that your gift paper, because gift paper, what is that? Again, something dangerous for environment. We unpack our gift and throw that colorful paper which we get. I will teach you how to use those discarded gift paper for making lovely flowers. Okay, yeah, you can make lovely flowers for your class board decoration, your birthday decoration. So let's start converting waste into something useful. So, are you excited for learning this? Show your thumbs up with a big smile. Yes, and you know what? This is extremely simple. Okay, so I took one stick from my garden, and you can, if you have, and what kind of stick you have, show me. Anything you have available, which is waste for you, you can use. Very good. Okay, yes, it should be thick enough. Okay, now what you will do first, what I will do, I will cut this surface. Okay, this complete surface I will cut first. Okay, so I will take my scissors and I will cut it. Now, according to size, if you want some big, some small, and you can accordingly make it, but I will simply cut the surface properly with this. Okay, just a minute. I will, yes, okay. So, and you know what? These flowers which we are going to make, they will look exactly like palm leaves. And you know, those palm leaves flowers, they are quite expensive in when you go to purchase in flower showroom or in some handicraft. Yani one stick like we get for 100 or 150 rupees. Those can be replicated using this paper. See, I will cut it beautifully. Yes. Okay. And here this handle, like when you are cutting this handle now, you can keep this handle carefully because whenever you'll be making carry bag, you can use this handle as it is. And paper bags are very like it is a very good initiative actually. Like now these days we are getting this kind of paper bag because these are biodegradable. So this is a very good initiative. And this brown paper could be used for gift packing also. So you can simply use it for gift packing also. Okay? So what I will do, I will simply take it out carefully and I will keep it carefully somewhere I can use it afterwards, right? For some other craft or somewhere we want to do pasting of it. You will very carefully remove or you can cut it. If your paper is quite big, you can cut it. Okay, see. So this is the way I remove this inner portion because otherwise the paper will become very thick. I don't want paper very thick because we are going to fold it. And you will find this kind of paper. See, it is looking exactly like a dry leaf. Just like a dry leaf, it's looking like that. Here also we have double paper. I will remove because you're going to fold it, so we don't want very thick paper. So see, when I cut one side, if your carry bag is long, then you can remove, simply trim it out. Okay. And this I will keep carefully so that we can use it somewhere. And I will show you when I will use it now. I will show you how I can use it. If you remember in one gift bag, which we learn out of waste cards, I will show you. We use the same handles. See this. We learn this cute little gift basket. You can keep your gift. You can make it big or small using two circles. We completed and see the handle. We use these handles only for holding it. You can make this kind of gift pack. You can make big circles, simply attach them and handle and put stapler, and your gift will go inside. So this is amazing for so whatever we think that is of no use could be used somewhere. Okay? So this gift basket also we learn, envelope also we learn. And if you want to learn envelope out of waste wedding cards, please visit our YouTube channel and Argio shop. You will find a complete video available there. So done. Cutting is done. Show me. Cutting is over. Yeah. ठीक है. Now what you can do, you can simply this corner and this corner. Okay, I will wait as many students are waiting. So I will wait for you. Okay. So I will start my story. Today's story is about as we are going to use reuse waste material. So yes, today's story is also about that only, and the story is available on my YouTube channel also. So this is about a girl who was living in South. Okay, and like she was very close to nature and wanted to save nature. Like when she was very young on birthday, she was growing plants and wherever she was finding any plant getting dry, so she was trying to nurture them. Like when she was going to school, she was able to see like some planters on roadside, and her plants are quite dry. So what she did, started doing, she took one or two waste plastic bottles and were taking some water and giving to them. So this way, she was very much like caring about plants. Done? Yes. Shall we move ahead? Yes. So see both the side. If you want to, like, I'm going to teach you two flowers. Two flowers we will be making. But if you feel you want to make some small, some big, some colorful, and so you can try this. I will be making two flowers because I will be getting two out of it. And using this technique, you can make hangings also. You like it, these leaves. If you will attach on stick, it will become a flower. But if you will hang it on the stick, if you will hang it downwards, so it will become a beautiful hanging. Okay. So in two ways it could be used. So we will do one thing for hanging. We will learn some other day. Okay. For Vandan Bar, we will use this technique and we'll learn some other day. Okay. Now, what you can do, you can simply make a line. You can either make a line using scale or you can simply fold it. Fold the corners. Okay. If your paper is rectangle, then you can make it square and you can fold and see, you will find two triangles available. And when you will fold, you will find two triangles available. And if your paper is rectangle, so first make it square. Or otherwise, you will find fold will be little challenging otherwise. And simply cut. So now we need actually triangle. So this triangle you can take out from any of the shape. Yeah. Now we have two triangles available. And this is more than enough for two flowers. And now Teachers' Day is coming. So first, uh, before Teachers' Day, I will be teaching you planter out of waste bottle. This time at the place of bouquet or card, grow a plant and make a beautiful, lovely gift basket using waste bottle. Okay, I will guide you. I will teach you how you can do that. And this time, before Teachers' Day, you will be preparing many gift basket of this kind. You will be growing plant. You can grow hydroponic or small saplings. And you are going to gift plant this Teachers' Day, and that will be out of waste material. Okay, are we going to do so? Yes. And when you'll gift a plant, believe me, ma'am will be more than happy. Okay? So lovely planters. I taught many before also. But before Teachers' Day, I will try to teach few so that we can start a new trend. Okay, now what we will do, we will start with folding. So now come on, first triangle. Have you done? Show me your triangle shape. All of you, show me your triangle shape. Yes, perfect. Okay, perfect. And if you will use your gray colors newspaper, so your leaf will look gray. And yes, you can use that also. Many times printed pamphlets we get. So those could also be used and you will find something colorful and printed. Okay. Now what you're going to do, you will start folding it. We will be making Japanese fan. Okay, I will show you how. So this side we have now, you are going to fold an equal fold very carefully. Fold it. Your first fold will go this way. Very carefully press and make sure the stripe should be equal. Nicely. Press it nicely. Every fold you will press nicely. See, when you will press now, it will not open again. And make sure you will go very perfectly as far as folding is concerned. So you will fold, then you will turn, and the same fold will go here. Same size, with patience, no need to hurry. Japanese fan. Come on. Then you will turn and same stripe here. Then you will turn. Now, if you want to make big flowers, like suppose you want to display in a corner planter, and some long sticks, some small sticks, some big, some small. So accordingly, your size of triangle will change. Okay, if your triangle will be bigger, the size of your flower will be bigger. Very nicely. Every time, keep pressing it nicely. Fold should be, crease should be perfect. No need to hurry. And you will make this kind of pen ready. I will teach you one more time. Okay, one more time. The first step you take very carefully. And when first step will go perfect, then your all steps will go perfect. I will show you one more time those who are not able to understand. So this is going to be your first step. So one fold from this side, one from opposite side. And how much stripe? Same stripe. Okay, same stripe. And press it nicely to get a deep impression. Then again here, it will go here. Okay. Again here, it will go here. One time this side, one time this side. Again, Again, yes, this is the way you will complete. And same is the technique of making gift bag. And if you want to make a gift packing using this kind of bags, so see, we have this kind of shape available. Okay. And if you will see from here, it's looking exactly like dry leaf and a dry leaf. Come on, do this. And now these two triangles are beautifully converted in this. And this gift basket, that handle which you remove, you can prepare this kind of gift basket. You can make it using papers available. And when you want to go for somewhere, you can make it big also, according to size of your paper, like what kind of or size of your gift. If you will go for big circles, then it will become bigger. And what you need to do when you are going for any birthday party or somewhere, you put your gift and put stapler. Handle is ready and your gift basket is ready. So this ways you can reuse and repurpose waste paper. Okay? Yes, come on, do this. I'll wait and I will continue my story. So when this girl grew, then she became like she was very good at studies. So after qualification, uh, she was observing one thing that in South, like coconut shell, people are used to throw, they simply throw it off, an abundant of coconut shell, or they use it just for burning and as fuel. So one thought was there that when we can use the coil of coconut for making coconut rope and all, so why can't we use this coconut shell? And it should be used for some nice purpose because so thick and strong. And she started searching on internet, and she was surprised that wonderful bowls, very stylish bowls could be created. And she was more surprised to know that already one community, they were preparing bowls, they were preparing toys and lovely things out of coconut shell. Dan, can I check your two triangles? Yes, show me. Yes. Now what you're going to do very carefully, see, you will fold it from center, will fold it from center. And these 2 points now, they should come here. Now see, if you want to hang it, or I will do one thing, I will cover up this in some other class. You can even hang it on this. You can put your rope from inside, thread from here, and you can hang it downwards on it. And now we will learn one Vandanvar using it. Okay, so this, let's keep it for that day. And right now, you will simply do it and you will do pasting uh, beautifully so that and press it nicely. So you can put Fevicol here. So I will take it, nicely apply Fevicol, and you will simply hold it till it's getting dry. Very nicely. Although stapler could also be applied here, but with stapler, the pins will be visible and the output will not look very tidy. Okay, so see, this is the way this shape of leaf is ready. It's looking like a dry leaf, right? And this very realistic look of it, although it could be colorful, but its dry leaf look will exactly make it look like those palm leaves creative craft. Now again, this bigger portion, the longer portion you will fold inside. This triangle will come outside, and make sure you will go for exactly double. It's very simple to prepare, and you can make a bouquet out of it. And if you have colorful, so few gray, few different colors, and you can make a beautiful bouquet. You can take any of container, you can put some soil and arrange it nicely. And using this method, you can make leaves also. In some craft, you can make leaves also for making butterflies, wings. Also, this method is quite. See, so I will apply this nicely. And before Diwali, we will definitely learn Bandhanwar using this kind of paper. in a very creative way. Okay. So now let's see. So these two leaves are ready. Okay. How beautiful they are looking. And you can make a small also. Like we have, if you want to make few very small, few very big. So accordingly, like your size of triangle will be taken. And now the stick is waiting eagerly to get it connected. It will be connected here nicely. Okay. So this could be connected to you this in two ways. You can use Q-Fix or glue gun if you have, and you can simply go for pasting. You can paste it because the pasting is quite, and it will be done. But if you don't have that, then you can take help of sellotape, and with sellotape you can attach it. Okay, and then if you this stick is of some odd color, then you can take acrylic color, green or brown color, and you can paint it. And I took a real stick from garden. And yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. All of you finish. So I will come back to my story. So what happened then? This girl decided to meet to that community who was already working on making bowls and all. So when she went to them and talked to them, she realized they are preparing wonderful things, but market is not available. Then she decided to find out a perfect market for them, and she targeted abroad, like US and this kind of markets where people want to switch on to this kind of eco-friendly and nature-friendly life. And she simply developed a brand and multiple things, scented candles and so many beautiful things, and targeted the correct market. And this way is like lots of people, females, they got like job, you know, and the coconut shell was used very nicely. So when you start watching trash as something creative, then you are able to bring a change. Okay? So see, I will be simply holding it this way, and sellotape we need, and a sellotape. And this ways we will be completing. So one big and one small I will be making, or I can simply take a small one also. One more, this kind of branch I have, I will use that. So this way is when you start. One more story which I framed in that the heap of ashes, like after people were using chulha for cooking, so all the ashes, that wood ash they were throwing, and it was a heap of garbage, kind of habit. It was getting collected there. So one boy started searching that what can be used. Can we use it for some good purposes? Then he found that it could be sold. So he collected all that, cleaned it, make packets, and sell it off. So when you start observing it in a very creative way, then you are able to. Okay, done. Can I see it? Show in your hands. Yes. So you can use newspaper also. You can use colorful, anything you have available. You can simply use it. Wonderful, amazing. Okay, shall we move ahead? Ready? Yes. So one is now what you will do, you will take your sellotape. Okay. And now very carefully see first see how I'm doing. Okay. Then you do. So first I will make this ways. I will go round. Simply a small part. And then I will arrange this below very carefully, holding both of them tight. Here, if you are not able to do it alone, you can take help of your mom. And very nicely, you will connect this and very tight sellotape. Okay, or you can do even pasting. If you're finding it challenging and difficult, you can simply paste it with stick. And if you will keep it for little time, then it will be nicely pasted. With Fevicol, you will get nice pasting of it. And this is the way you will connect it here. And if you feel that few more things, some beads or something I want to put here, yeah. Okay. So this ways you can keep this stick backside also, है ना? So you can either keep it front or you can put some shape or some uh, stones or something else here if you want, or you can do the pasting backside also. So I will be teaching you both, है ना? Front and backside both. So I have some colorful. Okay. If you feel that you want to put something here, some feathers here, or some other thing which could be, you can. So I have this lovely feathers. So you can even do pasting of it as pollen grain. And it's complete. Otherwise, you can keep it like that, and or you can do it backside. Now I will show you if you go for backside, so it will how it will look. So you can go for backside also, and you can simply start tying it all around, and both the ways it could be done. I will show you both the ways of doing it. Okay. So here I went backside, and I simply will keep rolling it like this. Roll your stick. It will be easy for you. And then simply cut. Okay. And if you feel that you want to put something else here, and some stone here or some other thing here in front, you can. So see, in two ways, like it could be attached in front or back. If you will put your stick in front, so you will have to cover it up, as I'm going to cover it up using this. You can cut a round shape. You can take anything else you have for covering up it. Okay? So I think it will be better if you keep it at the back side. Okay? Yes. And your two flower sticks are ready. You can simply put it in your flower pot, some big, some small, and a very broad. You can make it. And if you feel that you want to paint it, you want to make it like my color is quite authentic, and it's looking so beautiful. So I will keep it like this only. I will not paint so that that natural look will not disappear. And these are two of it. If I will keep the stick little smaller and this fan will be little broader, then it could be used for fan also. Okay? So if you connect to one fan here, and you make the stick little smaller, it could be used as a fan. Okay? So this is our today's beautiful work. I will show its front view. Look at this. It's a complete. I use some dry gehu balis, and these are sticks, one here. And using this kind of natural things, you can actually connect it. Okay? See. I will keep it this way so that you can see how it will. Okay, this is again a bottle which we reuse with hand painting, and you can take any container, and this kind of dry uh, real balis could be used for decoration purpose. They look very beautiful. It's very beautiful natural cream color is making it looking amazing. Even corn peels, I will teach you for sure. I will teach you corn peel flowers also so that you can use them nicely. Okay. And this is your today's artwork. I will request moms to be with us. We cover up this kind of very simple uh, craft and a very simple craft we keep so that even a child can make it and can use it for gift purpose or class decoration purpose. So I will request moms to be with us so that we can have your feedback. Just a minute. I'll take a pause of 2 minutes. I will request my team member to unmute parents one after another so that we can have conversation, we can talk and have your feedback. Before this, I would love to show few artworks of junior batch and a pre-junior batch. Let's get started with pre-junior batch. In pre-junior batch, we have children of 3.5, 4 to 7 years old. And the kind of artworks we cover up, I would love to show. I try to cover up all kind of things which could help them in their diagrams and all. This is a poster making and on dental care and different modes of transport we cover up. Our helpers drawing we cover up. And a Valentine Day special so that they can use it for making anniversary card, different kind of houses, kacha house, pakka house, and a pasting of leaves. Again, helper, nurse, different kind of flowers, rose, hibiscus, pansy, different flowers we covered up. But this is pre-junior batch artwork, okay, 4 to 7 years old. Impression art. These are cute little ants. Completely impression art. This is India spreading the message of peace all over the world. Using two circles, we completed this poster making. Landscape students normally have a different kind of landscape. This is normal landscape. This is abstract art based landscape. Folk art we try to cover up. Different festivals we cover up. Different animals we cover up. Different cartoon characters. Festival, my dream home, made with ice cream and chocolate. Underwater world with geometric shapes. Lohari, different animals. Doodle art, some characters from stories, national symbol, national bird, national tree, Madhubani art, one more landscape with Kacha house, unit in diversity, national symbol, our national flower, good habits. We cover up multiple good habits, early to bed, different birds, different animals. This is the kind of artwork. And we teach right from pre-junior batch what is complete artwork, right? Right from pre-junior batch we cover. Now I will come on junior batch. Junior batch, it means students of 7 years to 10 years. So what kind of artwork we cover up there to see? This is abstract art with multiple color mediums. This is Friendship Day special drawing, Sudama and Krishna. And this is pen art. Our helpers in this batch also we cover drawing of our helpers. And this is Madhubani art. And This is you can see this is my birthday drawing, coffee painting. You know, coffee painting is part of our syllabus in junior batch. Again, poster makings on clean sources of energy. With step-by-step guidance, we teach how to draw and color both. Okay, this is doodle art based drawing and a face study also we teach in junior batch. Impression art, you can see we personify a tree and put a finger impression. This is my pet. Coffee painting, one more coffee painting. This is, see, this is a coffee painting, painting with coffee. So, how to use natural color and how to use its stone. Pen art, art with pen also we teach. And life before internet, this kind of poster makings we cover up. Pencil shading is part of our syllabus in junior batch. And again, this is doodle art, different animals, again, poster making on voting right, and this kind of topic students don't understand what to draw. And a nature art, mixing of colors, Lohari drawing, this is Republic Day special, and you can see different festivals, different pencil shading work. We try to cover up all different kind of things and all art forms we cover up. Here, this is Raksha Bandhan drawing. This is Independence Day special. This is again animal anatomy and pencil shading we did. This is painting with fingers. And a Ganesh Chaturthi special. This is Hindi Divas special poster making. And this is World Tourism Day. And this poster making students, like it was highly demanded artwork because students, they don't know what to draw with this kind of topic you're getting. Your favorite cartoon character, Maya Yashoda and Kanha. And an underwater world, a cute mermaid. This is Diwali drawings. This kind of artwork we cover up in junior batch. And senior batch, it means students of uh, 10 years onwards. In this, we have moms also and students, those who are preparing for elementary exams. And they are also in this batch of ours. So here we teach all different kind of artworks. I will teach what kind of my favorite game. You know, this is, I will give you a bigger view of it so that you can see it. Okay, this is graphic based drawing and we cover up pollution and no to cracker based artwork, no to polythene and this kind of poster makings students have and they don't know what to do. And a folk art, this is African art, different folk arts. We covered up almost all folk arts. This is mandala art. We connected it with guitar. This is again a poster making on no wastage of time. You know, like what ways? Pencil shading is part of our syllabus. We teach pencil shading also in senior batch. Sometimes we add little craft also. And here you can see we add craft flowers. This is design in circle. We personify a tree and finger impression. Life before internet, poster making. This is abstract art based artwork. Again, one poster making on clean sources of energy. है ना? And one more drawing with a combination of pencil shading and all. This is painting with fingers. One more painting with little spark of color and pencil shading all around. Folk art, this is Madhubani art. Figure anatomy we cover up. So this is Lohri drawing. Figure anatomy, this is New Year artwork, Lohri drawing. And this is Diwali drawing. है ना? And so on. This is landscape. We try to cover up different watercolors, landscape and others. Again, pencil shading and colors. This is Teachers' Day special artwork. This is earbud impression, how to add textures. Still life is part of our syllabus. Pen art is part of our syllabus. Different animals we try to cover up. This kind of artworks also we cover. Because in elementary exam, in memory drawing section, this kind of question come. So this is a fate scene. है ना? And artist, how he's covering up the world, which is full of negativity in beautiful colors. This is art, Krish Kanha ji. On Janmashtami, we learn it. Valentine Day special artwork with watercolors. Doodle art, it is a Patachitra artwork. Good morning, a combination of different colors, watercolors, and this. Pen art is also part of our syllabus. So we teach pen art, still life, and whatnot. You can visit our Artgeo shop and you will find all these artworks available with step-by-step drawing and coloring guidance. ठीक है. So this is the kind of artworks we cover up in our senior batch. In senior batch, students are preparing, moms are preparing for elementary exam also. Now I want to show about this offer. See, this is our offer, which is specially for the children who want to learn from us for long run, like for 6 months or 1 year. We come up with this kind of offer so that long-term learning could be comfortable for you. So here, when you see yearly plan at place of 12,000, it is just 6400. And same with 6 months. So if you want to secure your seat and you want to take benefit of this offer, kindly contact on this number 701-799-7836. Okay. You can contact on this number, and this long term, we come up with this kind of offer so that long term learning could be budget friendly for you. That's why the discount of 50% we offer, so that long term learning could be comfortable for family. Okay, and long-term learning is undoubtedly of extreme help. And like it, with drawing, like so many career options also are open for you. So this is all about, and now I will request my team to unmute parents so that we can talk and we can have your feedback. So my team, please, I'm requesting, please unmute them one by one. And you will be spotlight, and after that, yes, yes. Team, please spotlight them.
Mr. Amit Mishra, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah. Will you please unmute yourself? Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Amit Mishra. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, hi.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Ma'am, please do share your feedback about today's craft we learned.
It's really very good class. We made this.
Wow, so beautiful. So cute they are looking. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please do share the craft in hands of child on this number where I review each and every artwork personally.
Hmm.
So, and was child able to absorb all the instructions?
It's everything very clear.
Acha, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Now, Tanishi, yes, try to unmute yourself. We will come to Ira Kaushal, and then we have. Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much for these classes.
Okay, so your instructions are clear. You enjoyed? Show me your work. Show your craft, beta. Wow, so neat and refined. Wonderful. You know what? With few flowers, which I taught, like if you remember, if you will visit my YouTube channel, I taught few flowers with tissue paper. So combining those flowers, you can even make a bouquet. Okay, wonderful work. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share the craft with
Yeah,
child.
sure. I just wanted to say one thing. Many times she wants to talk to you between the classes. She wants to ask something.
See, the
At
ma'am,
that,
this is actually we don't give the access to students to unmute themselves. What happens? See, we have students of more than 200 in every batch. And what happened when child ask? Other children also feel like to ask. And this way, is the rhythm of the class get disturbed because the complete camera gets shifted to that child. And what happened then? Other children also feel like that I shall ask or I shall so show. So the artwork got extended for 6 to 7 classes. So that's why she can message me in chat box that time. I will immediately resolve that. Otherwise, after class on this number, I review each and every artwork personally. So she can frame her voice message or any other problem she is having. And that's why we are providing recording also with lifetime validity. So this is the way for smooth conducting and
thank you,
utilizing the.
ma'am.
Okay, and you did wonderfully. Okay, so if you have any of doubt, Tanishi, you can message me on this number afterwards, or during class, you can message me in chat box so that I can solve your query. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yes. I will request Ira. Yes, and we have after that Naisha. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
हम लोग अच्छे हैं मैम, आप कैसे हो?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। ईरा, तुम्हारे आर्टवर्क्स तो भाई कमाल के आर्टवर्क्स होते हैं और आप हमेशा उसे शेयर करते हो। दोज आर ब्रिलियंट।
मैम उसने पूरा टेबल भी कलर कर दिया है, देखो
वाह,
नीचे
ये
का
और ये
पूरा।
कितना सुंदर बनाया है, लेकिन इतना क्रिएटिव और कलरफुल कलर स्कीम के साथ इनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत अच्छी है।
मैम देखो मैं तो आपको क्या ही फीडबैक दूं, इतने टाइम से वो क्लासेस कर रही है और अच्छे से कर रही है। अभी हमने पूरा शिफ्ट करा, सिटी शिफ्ट करी, बट आपकी क्लासेस तो मिल ही जाती हैं ऑनलाइन लेटर ऑन, तो
हाँ,
कोई
यस
प्रॉब्लम
सर।
नहीं है। शी इज
ओके।
एंजॉयिंग मैम, अच्छे से कर रही है, नई नई चीजें सीख रही है, कुछ कुछ आप नया कराते रहते हो। संडे हम लोग इतना ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाते हैं, बट जब भी कर पाते हैं इट्स गुड। उसको बहुत मन होता है, हम नहीं हम थोड़ा बोलते हैं नहीं नहीं
हाँ।
कुछ काम कर रहे
अरे वाह, ये डायरीज की आपकी आवाज थोड़ी बीच बीच में अटक रही है थोड़ी सी। अरे वाह, कितना अच्छा कवर पेजेस बनाया आपने। ये आवाज क्लीन नहीं आ रही है, मुझे आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही है।
आपको नहीं आ रही मैम आवाज?
हाँ, अब आ रही है। आपकी तो आ रही है, पर इनकी आवाज मुझे कट कट के आ रही है।
अच्छा, वो बोल रही है कि वो अपनी ड्राइंग्स बनाती रहती है, अभी जैसे जो जो
हाँ,
आप टेक्निक सिखाते हैं ना मैम, उससे वो खुद
वाह,
अपना भी ट्राई करती रहती है कुछ।
बहुत
और
अच्छा है। और ये करना भी चाहिए, तभी तो
overall
एक स्टेबिलिटी आएगी। और आपने बहुत अच्छा बनाया। आपकी आज की क्राफ्ट दिखाओ कैसी बनी है।
आज तो मैम ये बनाया इसने।
वाह, बहुत सुंदर है, लवली।
आई
वेरी
थिंक
गुड।
आप शेयर भी कर रहे थे, मैंने खुद से बना रही है अब अपने काम थोड़ा बहुत जो कर रही
हाँ,
है।
नहीं, हमारे सारे क्राफ्ट बहुत सिंपल होते हैं मैम। अगर मटेरियल भी हम कोशिश करते हैं बहुत लिमिटेड मटेरियल हम रखें, है ना, ज्यादा उसको, इसीलिए
हम्म,
बहुत फैंसी उसमें नहीं जाते, ताकि पेरेंट्स के लिए वो नहीं ना, बच्चे पैनिक करते हैं, ये भी चाहिए वो भी चाहिए। तो आप अगर संडे की क्लास इसका मन है तो आप इसको मटेरियल के साथ बैठा सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारी क्लासेस में हम बहुत सिंपल चीजें बनाते हैं, ताकि छोटे से छोटे
पहले
बच्चा
थोड़ी
भी।
बड़ी हो गई है तो मैनेज कर लेगी आई थिंक। और मुझसे जो भी पूछता है मैं तो बोलती हूँ कि करते हैं क्लासेस। पेरेंट्स को थोड़ा लगता है कि ऑनलाइन कैसे होगा, मैं कहती हूँ शुरू में भी आपको 2-4 क्लासेस में बच्चों के साथ बैठना पड़ेगा, बट वंस दे आर मतलब दे आर इन द क्लास, फिर वो कुछ नहीं, दे आर इन द फ्लो, दे आर इन द क्रिएटिव फ्लो, कुछ डिस्टर्ब नहीं करते, बड़े प्यार से क्लासेस करते हैं। आई डोंट नो अबाउट बॉयज, लड़कियां तो करती ही करती हैं फॉर श्योर। लड़के थोड़ा
हाँ,
ज्यादा एनर्जी होते हैं ना, इधर उधर इधर
हाँ।
उधर।
नहीं, और
बट मैम
या
थैंक यू,
नहीं,
लवली
थैंक यू
क्लासेस।
टू थैंक यू फॉर योर लवली फीडबैक। और ईरा बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बहुत तेजी से ग्रो कर रहे हैं। आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी टू सी द आर्टवर्क जो आप लगातार शेयर करते हो, और आर्टवर्क जो खुद बना रहे हैं। ईरा, वेरी गुड। हाँ, कीप इट अप बेटा। और जैसी इसी तरह से जो भी स्टाइल, जो भी आप नया आर्ट फॉर्म सीखते हो, उसके बेस पे कुछ आर्टवर्क प्रैक्टिस करना। आप इसके लिए आर्ट शॉप की भी, आर्ट जियो शॉप की भी हेल्प ले सकते हो, और इसे
हाँ
बनाना
करते
चाहिए।
हैं,
वेरी गुड।
जब सब खत्म हो जाते हैं तो वहीं जाते हैं।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू सो मच मैम। और प्लीज इनके क्राफ्ट के साथ इनका वर्क जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा।
डेफिनेटली मैम, डेफिनेटली।
थैंक यू, लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स। अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी नायशा कपूर, प्लीज ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। और इसके बाद हम आएंगे तनिषा। पिछली बार दिव्यांशी एक स्टूडेंट है जिनका मैसेज आया था कि आई वांटेड टू टॉक। तो दिव्यांशी, प्लीज आपको स्पॉटलाइट करते हैं, इसके बाद आप भी अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं। नायशा मैम, नायशा कपूर, प्लीज ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Yeah, we have unmuted. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. All good, and thank you for your classes. Naisha is actually really enjoying all these, and she looks forward to be part of each class. तो उसको बहुत मजा आता है, वो खुद से करती है. Needs
Wow,
minimum help. That is a great help to me, being a working mom. So she is able to join it with the help of her grandparents, and then she takes, follows all the instructions. बहुत easy है, बहुत अच्छे से कर लेते हैं. So
wow.
it's a great blessing.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। एंड नायशा, दिखाएं जरा आपने आज कैसे किया है। बहुत सुंदर काम किया, नीट एंड रिफाइंड। बहुत बढ़िया, ठीक है। और इस तरह के कई सारे वो बनाकर, और आप फिर लगता है आपको कि स्टिक पे मुझे ग्रीन करना है, मुझे इसका ये रियल लुक बड़ा सुंदर लग रहा है, तो मैंने इसको ऐसे ही रखा है। आप इसको अपने प्लांट्स के साथ भी कहीं ऐसे अटैच कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो बहुत अच्छा वर्क किया है, और आपके एफर्ट्स आपके आर्ट क्राफ्ट में नजर आते हैं, ठीक है।
Yes.
तो
Thank you, ma'am.
वेरी वेल डन, यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट, लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स, थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Thank
प्लीज
you.
इनका क्राफ्ट जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा साथ में
Sure,
इनके।
ma'am. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you. Now I will switch on to Tanisha Gia, and then Durga. Durga and Sarlaya.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello. How are you? Hello,
Yeah,
ma'am.
fine,
How are
ma'am.
you?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Tanisha is doing very good, ma'am, right now. She is interested. We are just looking for the drawing class online, but I find it's very good from your side, ma'am. Your teaching way, the way of kids doing of their own, it's very good, ma'am. We didn't need to help them.
Ma'am, I have one more thing I wanted to ask. Like when you were looking for some online class, so
Yes.
definitely one doubt what would have come, that would they be able to learn online or not? So what is your experience? Like in our class, we have a big number of students. We keep everyone mute. So
No,
with
ma'am.
this kind of system, what is your experience? Because so it will give clarity to other parents also, actually.
Actually, ma'am, first we given the demo class. Now, in that class, the kids done their of their own without our parents' help. So we get confident that the kids can do their own. We didn't want to spend the time on the kids right now. So it's good for them to see the mobiles and the other activities. Very good that they are learning by themselves, and the way of teaching is very good, ma'am.
So,
The
ma'am,
system-
as we keep everyone mute, so is she facing any difficulty while learning?
Actually, ma'am, you're sending the what we
Yeah.
say recording, na ma'am. After that, they are stopped somewhere. They pause there, and after some time, when you send the recording, they do next day the same thing, ma'am. They start, pause, start, pause. They do their own self. We don't help them at all.
Okay, so your experience is great
Yeah, it's
overall.
very good, and the way of learning, teaching is very good, ma'am. Simple, and the kids can understand. My both the kids are there in your class.
Okay,
The
that's
junior
amazing.
batch and the one is in the senior batch.
Okay, okay. I'll show your work, beta, Tanisha. Yes, lovely, beautiful.
And they're interested, they are waiting when the class is starting, and we should join as soon as possible, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Thank
You
you,
did
ma'am.
excellent. Thank you so much for your lovely feedback. Lots of blessings. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Lots of blessings. You did great work, beta. We have Durga and Bhavna. Bhavna Lakhwani. I will request them to try to unmute themselves because they are spotlight and they have the access. Yes, try to unmute, Durga.
It's unmute.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Durga, show your craft. Wow, beautiful. Lovely. Yes,
This is
ma'am.
her demo class. She has not attended any craft class from this
Okay.
one. But she's joining drawing classes. She's doing well in drawing class.
Okay.
Only the one thing I want her to more focus on that. Means she will do only your class. That's it. Other than that, she will not do any other.
Acha, ma'am, are you sharing the artwork on this number?
Not yet.
See, this is very important. As this is online class,
Hmm.
connection of mentor and child is very important. That's why I review each and every artwork personally. So
Okay.
when my appreciation that you did very well, nicely, this part is very good. Here you need to work little. So it is just like tonic, and in somewhere it boosts up that interest also. And Durga, you are doing amazing, beta. Your craft is so beautiful. Do revise and try your hand on the same kind of artworks or whatever you feel like to do. Do that and please do share on this platform. Ma'am, start connecting her with me. You will see that she will start devoting extra time also in drawings and practicing something.
Okay.
Yeah, so this connection is very important, which is missing actually. So please
Yeah.
connect this is.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
I will request Bhavna Lakhwani to please unmute yourself. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
Kabir is a huge fan of yours.
Thank you so
Every
much.
time he's into Art Geo only. He has pasted all his pictures in his room.
I can see that lovely creative,
Yeah.
wonderful way of like
Whenever
it's.
we get chance to join you with such a lovely, actually, he's so engaged in with your class.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
And show me what you did today. I want to see. Arre wow, so wonderful. Great. We are coming up with this kind of simple craft so that
Okay.
even a child can make independently with
Yeah.
minimum things. Ma'am, what is your feedback about this kind of classes where we're trying to teach them something out of
Uh,
waste material?
Yeah, it's good actually. It's actually a good way to do something creative. Uh, so yeah, I like the way you are teaching them.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
And please share the craft on
Yeah,
the
sure,
number
sure.
which I
Can you
shared.
share the number, ma'am, once again?
Yeah, sure. You will find it in description also.
Okay,
It's
okay.
available there. It's my
Okay,
personal WhatsApp number.
okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you. You did great work, my dear.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Lots of blessings, my dear. Adya Yadav and Anvi Tiwari. And if we have Divyanshi, please unmute her also. Because last class we were not able to talk and she was very much disheartened. She messaged me afterwards. I promise that I will, but I think Divyanshi is not in class today. Yeah, I will request, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your feedback.
Yeah, ma'am. Today's class was very creative. She enjoyed a lot, and she always enjoyed a drawing class. She is eagerly
Okay.
getting when the classes will join. Till I think 2 weeks have been over. She has joined the class, and most
Acha.
important, her drawing is increased. Focus is also increased. So I'm very much happy about the classes.
Acha, okay, ma'am. And like in 2 weeks, are you able to see or observe a great shift of improvement in your drawing and
Yeah,
coloring?
yeah. Because
Acha,
now focus is also increased.
acha.
लेकर मतलब पहले
Continuously.
मैं करती थी सब ड्राइंग अब जो पेशेंस पे करती थी तो पेशेंस उसमें जो था मतलब
हाँ.
कम था अभी पेशेंस लेवल भी बढ़ा है फोकस बढ़ा है and handwriting
Okay.
also is improved. So I'm very much
Acha.
happy about the classes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do frame your experience and share it with us so that it can give clarity to other parents also.
Yeah, sure,
Yeah.
ma'am.
And the craft, I can see craft, Anvi, it's so beautifully you did and fold and everything is so wonderful. And we can actually, with few more flowers, we can make a bouquet. It looks like a dry leaf arrangement, right? Thank you so much, ma'am, for your lovely feedback.
Okay.
I'm more than happy to see that students are joyfully attending class. Like 1 hour is actually quite big time span. But if they are joyfully sitting and doing, so it's a very big victory of ours, I think. Thank you. And now Adya Yadav, then we will come on Shreya Rao. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Adya Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please show the craft.
The
Show your
comment.
craft. Good efforts. Very good. Ma'am, please do share your experience also.
क्या बोल रही है
मैम आपका क्राफ्ट को लेके क्या एक्सपीरियंस है यानी कि जैसे हम ये वेस्ट मटेरियल से बच्चों को कुछ क्राफ्ट करना सिखाते हैं इसके बारे में आपकी क्या राय है?
बहुत अच्छा ये प्रोग्रेस कर रही है मैम पहले से तो बहुत प्रोग्रेस देख रहे हैं
अच्छा
ड्राइंग
ड्राइंग
में
में
इसको यस
अच्छा
मैम स्कूल में भी अभी देख रहे हैं इसको गुड आता है कभी स्टार भी आ रहा है
अच्छा और मैम यानी ड्राइंग क्लास जैसे हमारी 1 घंटे की होती है ये हिंदी वाला बैच अटेंड करती हैं
जी मैम
तो
जी
तो ये जॉयफुली अटेंड करते हैं या आपको पुश करना पड़ता है कि चलो अब बैठो क्लास होने वाली है यही खुशी खुशी बैठते हैं?
हाँ बैठती तो है कभी कभी मतलब थकी रहती है तो नहीं बैठना चाहती है तो वो
अच्छा
लिंक जो रहता है बाद में वो कर लेती है
हाँ अगर बच्चा थका है जैसे कई बार होता है ना कि बच्चा थक गया है और तो फिर ये मेरा इसीलिए हम क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग देते हैं है ना क्योंकि बच्चों के
जी
ऊपर
मैम
भी बहुत लोड है ना गेम्स होते हैं डिफरेंट कोचिंग्स होते हैं तो ये यानी हमारी रिकॉर्डिंग आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हो रही है
जी मैम
ओके तो आप खुश हैं आरजीओ क्लासेस के साथ?
जी मैम बहुत
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। हमारी स्टोरीज का क्या इम्पैक्ट आप देखते हो? जैसे हम हर क्लास में एक स्टोरी सुनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो क्या उससे आपको कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट नजर आता है बच्चे के बिहेवियरल पैटर्न में?
वो तो देख रहे हैं इसमें। ये स्टोरी भी कभी कभी सुनाती है, कि
अच्छा
मेरी मैम सुनाई है, तो बना
अच्छा
के थोड़ा ठीक ठाक सुना लेती है।
अच्छा। तो इससे ना आप देखेंगे मैम, ऐसे राइटिंग, क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग जैसे आगे चल के इनके लैंग्वेज में होगा ना, स्टोरी बनानी होती है, कुछ पॉइंट्स देते हैं, आप इसमें भी आप बहुत सुधार देखेंगे, क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग में बहुत सुधार आएगा। थैंक यू सो मच मैम। आप अपना फीडबैक जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।
जी मैम।
I will request Shreya Rao, and after that, we will come on Chehak Sahu. Shreya Rao. Hello, ma'am. Try to unmute yourself. You're not audible. Hello, ma'am. Shreya Rao. Try to unmute yourself. I think some technical problem we are facing. I will request Chehak. Chehak, you try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
Nice, ma'am.
Show your craft. So beautiful. You use both the side of sticks. Well, wonderful. And colorful it is. Enjoyed it, Mita?
Yes, ma'am.
Very well done. Do share on the number which I shared, okay?
Okay.
Yes, I will request Laksh Pramod to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Ma'am, please do share your feedback about this efforts of ours in which we are teaching some craft activities out of waste material.
Yes, ma'am. It was very nice. He enjoyed himself today. We've just started your drawing class. He's just attended 1 or 2 batches till now. But
Okay.
he usually doesn't sit that long. 1 hour for him to sit in one place and do is it's commendable that you're able to engage the students so they sit in one place and they'll do. He's quite young, but he's still able to sit and follow. And I'm surprised at how much he's doing. So he's enjoying it.
That's amazing. That's really amazing. But for sure, you will observe that the level of focus and that patience will improve.
Okay.
This is like many parents they experience, because this energy is actually blessings. Hyperactive child, it is his like child is blessed with unlimited energy, and drawing is able to channelize it actually. So
True.
I'm very happy to know that within 2 classes like this is happening, and
Yeah.
for sure like you will see great improvements. And show your work today, my dear Laksh. What you
You
made
want
today?
to go? You want to- Yeah, sure. You colored, no?
No, that's all.
He's coloring still.
Okay,
Make it short.
okay. Arey wow, it's so beautiful. Great. Very good, Laksh. Okay, and do share it with me, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And ma'am, regular artworks also, please connect him with me.
Sure, sure. I think I've messaged you once.
Okay, so you must have got the feedback also then.
I don't think I have.
On this number, because this is my personal WhatsApp number.
I will send you
Here
again.
I review each and every artwork myself.
Right, right. I will double check the number, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And please do share your experience as well.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Thank you. I will request Kiara, Nanda, and afterwards Arna. And both of you are spotlight. You can unmute yourself. Yes. Hello. How are you, Kiara?
Fine, ma'am.
Show your craft.
Okay. I just made.
Wow. So beautiful. Very good. Enjoy it. Wonderful. Very nice. It's really beautiful. Instructions were clear? You got the instructions very clearly?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. So together we will now start reusing waste materials so that we can save environment and we can somewhere save money also. Like see if you will attach these 2 leaves on your paper and put some flowers, and it can be a card, on making a greeting card also it could be used, right? Great work. Now I will request others other also, like we have Jovita, then Arna, we have students, and after this we will wind up, because for students is too long. Yes, Anna.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, beta?
Good.
Show your craft. Show your craft, Anna. Great, beautiful. Do share it with me, okay? Enjoyed the session, Anna? Very good, lovely. I will request Jovita. Jovita, try to unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, Jovita. Enjoyed the session? Show your craft. You attached 2 flowers on a stick. It is such creative thought. Great, very good. Fold and everything is beautifully done. Do share your craft with me, okay?
Okay, ma'am. When you teach some artworks, I use them for decorating my cupboard like this.
Okay, wow, beautiful. You want to learn some drawings?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो in our regular drawing class we teach drawing only, beta. And a Sundays class is for craft. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, तो in drawing class whatever you are learning that you can put it for display, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. And I think now we can wind up. And if other parents, they can raise their hands if they have any query or want to ठीक है, तो with this we will wind up. And Riyanshi, okay, Riyanshi, try to unmute yourself. Show your craft, Riyanshi. Arey wow, so beautiful, very nice. Do share it on WhatsApp, okay? Do you have your mom with you? Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello,
hello,
sir.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. Fortunately, we have one dad also today with us. Sir, please share your feedback.
Yeah, ma'am. Today, actually, this is our first class. We just
Okay.
got a link from our sister, and
अच्छा
तो मैम आज ही हमने ज्वाइन किया और रियांशी इज लाइक इसको बहुत अच्छा लगा क्लास ज्वाइन करके।
हाँ, इन्होंने बहुत प्यारा भी बनाया है, इसीलिए हम बहुत सिंपल क्राफ्ट के साथ आते हैं ताकि छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी अपने नन्हे नन्हे हाथों से बहुत सुंदर बनाए।
हाँ जी,
वेरी गुड,
इवन
वेरी
ये
गुड।
और बच्चों का भी देख रही थी तो बहुत लाइक हैप्पी हो रही थी कि इतने अच्छे अच्छा बनाए, मैं भी ऐसे और ट्राई करती हूँ।
ओके, अमेजिंग। बच्चों के अंदर अनलिमिटेड टैलेंट होता है, बस एक दिशा देने की जरूरत होती है। थैंक
या
यू सो
मैम
मच सर, थैंक यू। इनका क्राफ्ट आप मैंने जो पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप नंबर शेयर किया इस पे जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा।
हाँ जी श्योर मैम श्योर।
थैंक यू सो मच,
थैंक
थैंक यू। और फॉर्चुनेटली एक और डैड है हमारे साथ, Aiza Ahmed sir. Please sir,
Yes.
unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you sir?
I'm good. I'm good. Isa is actually already enrolled for the junior batch 345 Monday, Wednesday, Friday one.
Okay.
So
What is your observation as far as our drawing
So,
classes is?
Show your
Hello.
craft, right? Show your
Wow.
craft.
Beautiful. She fold and everything is so neatly and perfectly done. Great work.
So
And yeah.
she's picking up very quickly. So it's been more than a month, and she has been practicing and learning so many things. And craft also, the Sunday one, the batch, she's been like working, creating all those. And on the festival of Eid, she actually gifted all her cousins the
Wow, that's
artwork that
amazing.
you showed.
I actually want all the kids to switch on to this habit. Let's make something
Yes.
handmade and let's try using something so that we can save environment as well.
Okay.
Sir, what is your observation? Like she's a regular student as well. So what you observe during our classes?
Within 1.5 months, she's able to do things on her own. So earlier, we or her mother used to support her while she was learning drawing, but now she's able to trace and like follow all the instructions that you give. So she's learning quickly, and it's
Okay.
very good because she's also able to focus and sit at a place and do things in one go. Basically, earlier she couldn't sit for such long.
Okay. So you're able to see patience and focus, improvement in
Absolutely,
focus.
absolutely. Even in her
And
studies now, she's able to contribute that time. Like she's able to sit and focus and study for more than an hour.
Wow, sir, please do share this for sure because it will give clarity to many parents because they, like how drawing is going to help them out, like real experiences are. And as far as drawing skill is concerned, what's your experience like drawing skill? What kind of shift you are able to see during this throughout this one month's class?
So in her school project also, so basically when they need to submit some project, they need to draw by themselves. So say for example, parts of the body. So like there's a lot of clarity in her drawing now.
Acha.
Like drawing circles. So if she's tracing or drawing eyes in one of the projects, so she's able to like do it properly. Now she knows like in Mango, which you had taught, or say for example, Hanuman. So whichever pattern of eyes you have taught her, she is able to recollect and implement all those in different of her projects.
Wow, that's really amazing. Very good, my dear. I'm more than happy to hear all this. Are you enjoying your our classes? I want to know from you. Yes?
Yes, yes.
Enjoy.
Wow, that's amazing. That's
So
amazing.
I
Yeah.
had one more request. Actually, there's a drawing competition in a school in next 2 weeks. So the topic or theme given is a circus. So if you
Okay.
could take some of the session on this topic, basically a complete setup of circus in one page you need to portray or depict.
Will you please
Or
share the
some,
complete details on WhatsApp, my personal WhatsApp, so
sure.
that I
Yeah,
can support in some ways?
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you so
Thank
much, ma'am.
you. Thank you. Take care. I will request Ayansh. Yes, please try to unmute yourself. My regular punctual student. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself. You're not audible. Yes, now you are. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Hello, Ayansh.
I'm good, Ayansh.
Good.
And your craft is so wonderful, like each and every fold.
मैम आज मेरा क्लास देख लीजिए
बहुत सुंदर है, lovely. और मैम आप बहुत दिनों बाद आपसे बात करने का मौका मिला मैम. अब आप बताइए जो हम ये संडे की जो क्राफ्ट की क्लासेस ले रहे हैं जिसमें हम बच्चों को कुछ कुछ वेस्ट मटेरियल से सिखा रहे हैं, इसका आपका क्या इसके बारे में ख्याल है?
मैम बहुत अच्छा चीज है. जितना वेस्ट मटेरियल है जैसे ये कलेक्ट करके रखते हैं और जैसे अभी बिग स्टिक्स लेके आया देखिए ना अपने गार्डन से.
हाँ, ये बड़े बड़े जैसे लंबा वाला जार होता है ना, उसमें ये बहुत सुंदर निकल के आते हैं, जैसे लंबे जो वास होते हैं या कई बार लंबे रोल्स होते हैं ना, उससे पे ये कर सकते हैं. मैं एक बार प्लांटर भी सिखाऊंगी. और मैम ड्राइंग क्लास को लेके क्या आपका एक्सपीरियंस है?
मैम ड्राइंग तो मैं काफी दिन से करवा रही हूँ तो काफी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है मैम.
ओके मैम, स्टोरीज का आप क्या, जैसे आज आप हमारी काफी लंबी टाइम से हमारे साथ हैं मैम, स्टोरीज का क्या इम्पैक्ट आप देखते हो इसके बिहेवियरल पैटर्न पर?
मैम बहुत कुछ ग्रैब करता है वो आपके स्टोरी से. आप जो इन्फॉर्मेशन देते हैं कि सारा सामान कलेक्ट करके रखो या फिर ऑयल पेस्टल यूज मत करो, ये सब वो ग्रैब करता है आपका सब जो नॉलेज आप दे रहे हो.
अच्छा, तो इसका इम्पैक्ट कहीं पे दिख रहा है यानी कि बच्चों में?
हाँ, यस मैम.
चलो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है मैम. प्लीज अपना एक्सपीरियंस जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा. आयाश आप चुप क्यों गए? इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हो आप, है ना? इतने अच्छे ड्राइंग क्राफ्ट सारी चीजें, और आपकी पंक्चुअलिटी तारीफ काबिल है ना? तो इसी तरह से आगे करे जाओ और अब बहुत जल्दी आपका प्रमोशन भी होगा, आप जूनियर बैच में आओगे, है ना? तो साइड बाय साइड जब आपके हॉलीडेज हो जाए, कभी भी वक्त मिले, जूनियर बैच के कुछ आर्टवर्क्स आप पिकअप करो और वो ड्रॉ करके मुझे दिखाओ ताकि आपकी एलिजिबिलिटी को हम डिसाइड कर पाए. ठीक है मैम, आप ये जरूर करवाइएगा ताकि हम सही वक्त पर इनके एलिजिबिलिटी को फाइनल करके हम इन्हें जूनियर बैच में प्रमोट कर पाए. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. और अपना एक्सपीरियंस जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा मैम, क्योंकि ना ये बहुत पेरेंट्स को क्लैरिटी देगा कि बाय द टाइम आपने इनके फोकस में, इनकी वोकेबलरी में, इनके ड्राइंग स्किल में जो भी इम्प्रूवमेंट, जो भी जेन्युइन आपको लगता है वो आप हमारे साथ जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा मैम.
मैम जेन्युइनली बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट है इसके ड्राइंग में, इसके कलरिंग में बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट है.
यस, ये इनके डिवोशन और हार्डवर्क को ये क्रेडिट जाता है. थैंक यू सो मच मैम, और प्लीज अपना एक्सपीरियंस और क्राफ्ट जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू. Lots of blessings, and I can see Anaika Modi, और इसके बाद अवानी कारपे, है ना? हम यहाँ फादर हमारे साथ हैं, तो यस Anaika, show your craft. Unmute yourself, beta. You are not wonderful, amazing. Very good. Do share it on WhatsApp, okay? Okay. Okay. Ma'am, sir, please try to unmute yourself, Avani Karpe. Sir?
Yes.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah. Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, I'm good. Fine. Thank you very much, sir. Uh, Avni, about Avni and his drawing and skills regarding arts and craft. It's really become have become more innovative. That's one of the
Acha.
points I would like to express.
Acha.
Also, she likes drawing very much, but now she thinks continuously about it. So that's what the one started.
Wow. Avni, show
So
your craft today. What you did today. I want to see.
one example
Wow.
was that this year my birthday was recently in March. She
Acha.
did that coffee paintings and gave me birthday gift.
Acha. Arre wow. So happy. And this is actually what I want all the students to do. Switch on to your handmade gifts. This time before Teachers' Day, I will be teaching them using a waste bottle or a planter. They can make planters and gift plants to teacher. And this time we will reuse many of waste stuff at home. And I'm very happy, Avni, that you have switched on to that already and you have started gifting hand painted things. Very good. You're doing great and keep sharing your artworks on regular basis with me. Okay. Sir, are you happy and satisfied with RGO classes?
Yes, very much.
Thank you
And
so much, sir.
the stories which you tell, it's very value-based stories. We keep telling, but in Marathi we say the sonarane kantacha way. So when it comes from you, it has a more deeper impact.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much to know that. And she's doing great. And thank you so much for your lovely feedback. Lots of
Yes.
blessings.
Thank
Yes,
you.
I will request Tutish Singh. Please try to unmute yourself. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Try to unmute
Hello.
yourself. Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
How are
ma'am.
you?
Good, good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Ma'am, please do share your experience.
Yes, yes. This is the first time maybe I'm interacting with you, ma'am.
Acha.
And I have never shared her artwork with you, but I will do share now from going forward.
Yeah, this connection is very important. So that my valuable, actually that appreciation that you did excellent. These words
Yes,
are
yes,
like tonic for a child, you know. Otherwise, that somewhere that gap is there in
yes,
classes.
yes.
And show your works, Tuti. What you did? Wow, this is just wow, beautiful, very good. Ma'am, are you happy and satisfied with RGO classes?
Yes, ma'am, very much. She is doing the classes maybe since 2 to 3 years, and I have seen her improving. Like earlier, she used to draw with sticks and all, like line. Now she makes the real body and structure. I can show you, and any festival, she is ready with some art or something.
Wow, very good. So beautiful. So
I
beautiful. Stuti?
I always tell her like don't copy from internet. Always that try to do your own work, and that's how your work, your teachings help her because you always give the techniques how to draw.
Yes,
And
yes.
facial expressions, she will always. I love that because all the expressions, eyes and all you tell, she'll make like that. Like if she's making Radha and Krishna, that expression will be there. I will share her artworks with you.
Yeah, sure. Please do this because this is something where that gap should be filled. And she's
Yes,
doing
yes.
great. And Stuti, you are doing amazing, beta. Keep trying and keep revising. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. And lots of blessings to both of you. I can see Amira, multiple leaves she made and she arranged in a basket. Amira, try to unmute yourself. Then we will talk to Shaista and then we will wind up because students are sitting for long and this is Sunday. After that, we will wind up. Sure, Amira? Wow, it's such amazing bouquet you did and you arranged them in a pot also. Very good. Unmute yourself, Amira.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Enjoyed the session, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you going to use these all for making bouquets or some creative purposes?
Ma'am, I already tried this type of flowers. I made many of them and I made bouquet and gave it to my teacher on Teacher's Day.
Wow, that's amazing. Very good. And keep doing this. This ways we are going to help our environment also, right?
Ma'am, could I show you my some art forms?
See, if you will share it here now, my dear, I will be able to give my feedback also. This is my personal WhatsApp number where I will be able to review your each artwork properly and will be able to give suggestions as well. Okay? In class, I won't be able to see it properly actually. Okay?
Ma'am, can you show the number for 1 second?
Yeah, sure. You can note it down, okay? And by the time I will request our last parent, that is and then we will wind up because it's long. Students are sitting and doing with us. And I can see Elisha with lovely craft in hands. I can see, show you those who are in class. Sharvi, we can spotlight Sharvi. Please spotlight Sharvi so that we can have word with mom. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself.
Done, ma'am. Hello.
Yes. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much. I can see beautiful craft. Wonderful it is.
Shall we show, ma'am?
Lovely, Sharvi. You did excellent work, my dear.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. Please do share your experience. How was?
Ma'am,
What
it's a
was?
wonderful experience being with you. She is doing great. मतलब आर्ट वर्क जो हो रहा है, आर्ट क्लासेस भी हो रही है अपना, तो she is doing great. She is learning day by day. बहुत अच्छा
अच्छा
चल
मैम,
रहा है मैम।
जैसे अब बच्चों के लिए ये टाइम स्पैन काफी बड़ा है जो हम क्लास का लेते हैं, तो आपको
जी
पुश
मैम।
करना पड़ता है कि चलो अब बैठो, जैसे बच्चों को
नहीं
अक्सर
मैम, खुद ही बैठ जाती है। मम्मा मेरी आज क्राफ्ट क्लास है, मम्मा आज मेरी क्लास है, आज कौन सा डे है, तो शी इज लाइक हर सेल्फ वेरी मच इन्वॉल्व, खुद ही बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड रहती है।
वाओ, ये सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि ऑनलाइन क्लास में ये बच्चों पेरेंट्स का सबसे बड़ा डाउट है कि बच्चे बैठेंगे भी कि नहीं।
नहीं मैम, अभी पहले मैंने 1 मंथ का डेमो लिया था, अब मैं इकट्ठे 6 मंथ्स का एनरोल करूंगी इसके लिए, बिकॉज शी इज डूइंग ग्रेट और वो इंटरेस्ट भी दिखा रही है बहुत ज्यादा ना।
अच्छा, और मैम इन क्लासेस में 1 मंथ के में आपने कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट इनकी ड्राइंग कलरिंग में ऑब्जर्व किया?
बहुत ज्यादा मैम, बहुत ज्यादा।
अच्छा।
बहुत अच्छा हो गया, मतलब पहले तो ऐसे रफली करती थी, पर जैसे आप वे यू टीच देम कि आपको कलर कैसे करना है, किस टोन में करना है, तो शी इज फॉलोइंग दैट एंड डूइंग ग्रेट।
अच्छा, तो आर यू हैप्पी विथ आर्ट क्लासेस?
वेरी मच, वेरी मच। बल्कि आई एम रिकमेंडिंग टू माय फ्रेंड्स एज वेल कि आप लोग भी ज्वाइन कराओ।
अच्छा, okay, that's great.
बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है। थैंक यू सो
Thank you
मच
so
मैम।
much. Thank you
थैंक
so
यू।
much and lots of blessings. Please do
थैंक
share
यू
the
मैम।
craft also.
श्योर
Okay?
श्योर, पक्का मैम।
Yeah.
थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. Thank you.
बाय।
Bye. Now I think we can wind up because it's too long for kids. And I can see Hana. Hana, show your craft. And I will just see Tanishi's craft. I have already checked. Wow, so beautiful with yellow. And Amit Mishra, I have checked. Tejasvi, show your craft, my dear. अरे वाह, क्या बात है! लवली आर्टिस्ट, क्रिएटिव क्राफ्ट, है ना? और बहुत अच्छा बनाया है आप लोगों ने, है ना? और आपके भाई ने भी बनाया है ना, है ना? इतना अच्छा बना है। आप इनका भी और अपना भी, सबका क्राफ्ट, दोनों का क्राफ्ट मेरे साथ जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा, ठीक है? और लाइजा अपना दिखाएं, कौशिक, लाइजा कौशिक, और ये आनवी रेड्डी, बहुत सुंदर क्राफ्ट है। आनवी दिखाएं एक बार अपना क्राफ्ट, बहुत प्यारा। बच्चों, आप लोगों ने कमाल का काम किया है, बहुत बढ़िया। ठीक है, तो आप अपने आर्ट क्राफ्ट को जरूर। हिताक्षी, दिखाना जरा अपना क्राफ्ट बेटू। तनिशी का तो मैं देख चुकी हूँ। हिताक्षी, शो योर्स। चेरिका, आप अपना क्राफ्ट दिखाएं। कितना क्यूट, आप सबने इतना क्यूट बनाया है। वंडरफुल। सभी को बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स, है ना? मेरे प्यारे प्यारे छोटे छोटे आर्टिस्ट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आज आपने क्या सीखा? आज आपने ट्रैश में से कुछ यूजफुल बनाना सीखा, और अब हमें इसको यूज करना है ताकि हम एनवायरनमेंट को बचा पाए, है ना? और चीजों को यूज करके हम गार्बेज की क्वांटिटी को कम कर पाए। तो चलो, इसी के साथ मैं क्लास को वाइंड अप करती हूँ। टेक केयर, बाय बाय, लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स।